Hey guys, it's Mega, and today we have some Akko Botany Switches, which are part of Akko's new lineup of switches for 2024. Let's see how it stacks up. But first, a bit of a disclaimer. Akko sent these switches over for an honest and unbiased review, and that's what we're going to do here today. So first off, these are the Akko Botany Switches. And Akko is marketing it as a middle-pitched switch. Not low-pitched, not high-pitched is what they meant. But I think that's a bit questionable if you ask me. But what kind of sound do you guys like? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe while you're here. It helps a lot. And it costs nothing. But it's everything to me. I'm kidding. Let's get on with the video. So let's first check out what the switches are made of and see what it's all about. First off, the housing is made out of PA12 and PA6 for the top and bottom housing respectively. Yes, you've heard it right. If you've been here before or seen other videos about the Akko Rosewood switches, they're the exact same thing. But let's move on. For the spring, it has a 38 gram force extended spring at the 22mm length, which also seems very close to the Rosewood switches. And finally, we have the stem. It's also made up of Akko's Custom Pro nylon, also same as Akko Rosewood switches. The only difference is now the travel distance is 3.6 mm as opposed to the Rosewood that has a 4.0 mm travel, which means the Botany switches are just a long pole version of the Akko Rosewood switches. Apart from the 2 gram difference in the spring, but other than those two things, it's basically the same switch. So let's listen to what it sounds like on my Neo 70 with my Krytox Wandering Earth keycaps. So in conclusion, the Akko Rosewood, Botany switches are a great switch for anyone looking for a high-pitch switch for the price of only 28 USD or 1,370 pesos for 90 pieces. And yes, I know it's exactly the same materials as the Akko Rosewood switches, but since it has a long pole, it makes a distinct sound compared to the Rosewood switches. And I haven't noticed any squishiness or mushiness how the Akko Rosewoods have on some of the switches, that is. The factory lubing on these switches were a lot better, but they did say it is a very thin amount. So if you prefer to add more lube to them, go at it. The switches are very loud and very high pitched. It sounds like it's on the opposite spectrum as what the Akko Rosewoods are. It's really clacky, but Maybe a bit of lubing would do it better. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this review of the Akko Botany Switches. I appreciate you and I hope I see you on the next one. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye!